Forward Collision Avoidance Assist helps to prevent collisions by detecting vehicles, motorcycles, pedestrians and cyclists ahead. If a risk of collision is detected while driving, it warns the driver or automatically brakes. If a risk of collision with an oncoming vehicle in the lane is detected, it automatically brakes. It also automatically brakes if there is a risk of collision from either side at an intersection. When changing lanes, if there is an oncoming vehicle, or if there is a risk of collision with a vehicle in the adjacent lane, it automatically steers to avoid a collision. It also assists with steering if there is a risk of collision within the lane. FCA can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.